Hi guys, welcome to TechBased. In this video, we're going to talk about another known issue that we can encounter in the latest Windows 11 25H2 update for the main release, and that is the build 26200.8246 or KB5083769. This is basically the April update, the patch Tuesday, and Microsoft has announced a new known issue related to remote desktop in this update. In this video, we're going to talk about what is this new known issue and how you can fix it, because there are a few workarounds that were officially provided by Microsoft, and of course, this known issue will most likely be fixed in a future update. So if you enjoy videos like these, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. So let's begin with the video. So first of all, this is how Microsoft is describing the new issue. Basically, warnings related to remote desktop might not display correctly. After installing Windows Security Update released on April 13, 2026, the warning message that appears when opening remote desktop files might not display correctly in some cases. This issue can occur when you use more than one monitor with different display scaling settings, for example one set to 100% and one to 120%. When this happens, the warning window might show overlapping text or partially hidden buttons, which can make the message difficult to read or interact with. So as you can see, this is not necessarily a big new issue, but it is still a known issue. The good news is that this won't affect a lot of users, because I'm sure that not a lot of people are using the remote desktop function in Windows 11. But let's also check out some of the workarounds that Microsoft has provided. First of all, one workaround would be to just open up display settings. Just right click on the desktop and open up display settings, and if you have additional monitors or multiple monitors, make sure to select all the monitors and set the same scale value for all the displays. As you can see in my videos, usually I like to use the 150% scaling, and if I were to have another monitor with 100% scaling, it would cause some issues with the warning dialogues from the remote desktop function. So an easy workaround, just set the same scaling for all the monitors that you're using. Another workaround that Microsoft is providing is the keyboard accessibility option. If buttons or text are difficult to select with a mouse, you can use the keyboard to interact with the warning message. Press the tab key to move the keyboard focus between options, and when an option is highlighted, press the spacebar to select it. This is another workaround that you can try. So finally, Microsoft is announcing that they will address this issue in a future Windows update, maybe in the update from next week, which will be released on Tuesday, and that will be the feature update for the main release. That will be quite a big update, so stay tuned for that. So this is basically another known issue that Microsoft has acknowledged. Again, not a big known issue, not an issue that will affect a lot of users, but still it's good to know everything that is up with Windows 11 25H2 and the latest updates. More information about this will be in the article below or on the official Microsoft blog post. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. I was Emmanuel from TechBased. Until next time, have a nice day.